I don't know why I'm talking like this, but oh, my lollipop. Okay, that's too loud. Let's play evade. Let's play evade. Sorry. Is this sound on? Where's it on? Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm sorry. Please help me. Someone help me, please. Someone help me. Thank you, please. Please, sorry. Yay! Yay, let's go. Hey guys, rude. I don't like to revive anyone. Maybe. Should I use? Let's see something's go bye, buddy. She's going right next to the box. She's going to the box. She's going. Hey man, we can talk about this. Woo! Oh, nose. Hey man.
Welcome to your final test. I'm Mr.
What final
Beast.
test?
No!
I did the splits. Hey man, can someone help me? Oh my god, I'm kind of sick. Help me! Thank you so much, mind. It's not like you helped me like the other. Oh, I didn't even realize there was a place like this. Yo, buddy. Attack! Attack! Come on, we gotta go attack again.
Welcome to your final.
Yo, buddies, attack! Yo, buddies, attack! going into a different game. I'm gonna get man 100%. I'm gonna take off the charger. Okay, what shit do we play? Who has been inviting me? Oh, well, that doesn't seem bad. I think. Welcome to Eva. What is this hunt game? Thingy Majig. We're playing Kai's Memory. Actually, no, we are not playing it. We're playing Finko's Murder Mystery. He's dumb. Just dumb. Yes, I play on tablet. So what? Oh. There's no sound. Oh, there is. My bad. I have 40. But I already have one. Eliminate the murderer 10 times. 10 fucking times. I might also do a part 2 on this because Derek, it's already been 7 minutes on this video. And okay, let's put I forgot. Dude, what should I put on? Putting on these. Instead, gonna put on this. I just want to. I'm gonna trade some. I want it. It only costs 25 Robux, but I'm broke at the moment. They better be 19 minutes because I can't get that. I can't buy. Everyone is a survivor who is gonna be affected today. Oh. Baby. Yo. Well, good night, guys. Dude, even 8 minutes. That's not even fine. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god. That's not preppy. That is not preppy. These rolls. This is. I'm just gonna say in this avatar. It says yarr. Why you do an egg? Goodbye. I lied for a second. These roaches are flaming in my brains, burner. Alright. And I got sheriff. I hate this map. I'm like right now lagging. Oh, never mind. I lag for. Yeah, I went back lagging. Hey man. Hey man, why are you following me? Why were you following me? He's a battle without my gun and shoot her. You freaking kidding me, bro? I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. My ears are hurting. My ears are not hurting. Itchy. Scratching it. It was a weird ping. I'm gonna trade heartbeat. I'm gonna trade 2 of my heart beamers. Someone better. I'm bad. Uh-oh. She kinda had. Oh, never mind. And she won. Okay. We're gonna take the thing. Ow. Yay, I died. I'm gonna swing from the shell to the high, from the shell to the high. Is there a number 3? There's a number 3. Oh, that's number 2. My bad. I swear, if you're cheating, because if they are, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. There's been 12 minutes of this video. I'm innocent! Oh, that's not good. So goodbye. Get by. Let me say, never mind. Hey man, why were you coming over here? Stop! Excuse me. May I have the gun? Damn, he just went to a different dimension. Nah, that's wild. He went to a different dimension. Hey! Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, I'm teasing him. Hey, he's missing. He's missing.
Oh wait, Josie, don't end. Oh, hello.
I said stop camping and get me, because that's basically the whole game. You just get people. Come on, Jimmy. Go hell yourself. I'm gonna make a part 2, so yeah.